In this video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 on KVM using Linux with 3D acceleration. In the last video, I demonstrated how to install QEMU KVM on Linux. Make sure to watch that video to set up KVM properly on your Linux host. To verify if KVM is installed on your system, run this command to ensure the dev KVM exists. Now we are going to install Windows 11 on a virtual machine using KVM, leveraging VirtIO 3D acceleration for a near native bare metal experience. Now go ahead, open your web browser and download the latest Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft. At the time of recording this video, Windows 11 24H2 is the latest release. I will download this ISO file for the setup. While the Windows 11 is downloading in the background, go to this link to download the VirtIO drivers. I recommend downloading the latest version. Once both files are downloaded, place them somewhere on your desktop for easier navigation. Next, open Virt Manager, click File and select New Virtual Machine. Choose Local Media and leave the architecture set to x86_64. Then import the Windows 11 ISO file. You should see it recognized as Windows 11. Then allow the emulator to access the file path. Now choose your memory and CPU settings. My host computer has 24 gigs of RAM. So I will allocate 8 GB to the VM and set the CPU cores to 4 out of 12. Then choose at least 64 GB of storage space for the VM. Now name the virtual machine and take this option to configure it before installation. For network selection, I'm choosing the default NAT option and click Finish. Now you can see the VM details. For the firmware type, I'm going to choose this one that supports Secure Boot, then click Apply. Next, select CPU from the sidebar and enable Host Pass-Through for better performance, and leave other options as default. And that's it. Now click Begin the installation. When you see this text inside the VM, click inside the window and press Enter. Then from the menu bar, select View, then choose Scale Display and set it to Always. You will now see the Windows 11 setup screen. Again, select View and choose Full Screen. Now follow the on-screen instructions to install Windows 11. If you have a license key, you can enter to activate the OS. After installation, the virtual machine will reboot into the Windows 11 welcome screen. Now by default, Windows 11 requires online account. To set up offline account, first turn off Wi-Fi in the host. Then inside the virtual machine, press Shift plus F10 to open a command prompt. If it doesn't appear, press Alt plus Tab to switch to it. Then type OOBE \bypass NRO in uppercase and then press Enter to reboot the VM. After rebooting, select your country and keyboard layout. This should lead you to a screen to set up offline account. Then go ahead and create a user account and complete the Windows 11 setup. Once it's done, turn Wi-Fi back on Linux. And you will find the internet working in Windows 11. If you have a Windows 11 license key, you can use it to activate the OS. Next, if you go to the settings and try to change the display resolution, you may not have that option yet. To fix this, let's install the VirtIO drivers. Now this will resolve issues with graphics, resolution, clipboard sharing, and much more. Just go ahead, click the information icon, select CD-ROM, click Browse, and import the VirtIO drivers. Then click Apply and select the graphical console, and you can see the VirtIO drivers have been mounted. Then open File Explorer in the VM, select CD-ROM and install VirtIO Guest Tools. Once it's done, restart the VM to apply the changes. Now you should be able to adjust the display settings as required. After installing VirtIO drivers, the default display renderer is QXL. We will change it to VirtIO to enable 3D acceleration. To do this, first shut down the VM. Then click the information icon. Select Display Spice and set the listen type to none. Then enable OpenGL and set to auto, allowing the emulator to use the default OpenGL GPU renderer. Then select the video QXL, set the model type as VirtIO, enable 3D acceleration and click Apply. Now click the play button to start Windows 11 with 3D acceleration enabled. You should see the VM now running on the VirtIO GPU. And that's it. This is how you can install Windows 11 24H2 on a virtual machine with KVM and enable 3D acceleration. It runs beautifully on Linux, providing near native performance. And that's pretty much it. What do you guys think about it? If you have any questions or queries, do post them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSKRIO. I will see you in the next one.